Hello, this is hashtag CVB Entertainment. Make sure that you check out my website, cvbentertainment.com. Today's video is about a life hack on how you can maximize the space in your freezer and also save time on meal preparation. Come on, let's go. Okay, here's the moment of truth, you guys. Okay, so this is my freezer, and look at it. It is a hot mess. I have so much stuff in here, and I still have more stuff to put in here from grocery shopping. So if you're like me and you have no room in your freezer, then this video is absolutely for you. And think about it, it's just me. Can you imagine if you have a family? Okay, what are you gonna do? Don't worry, I am here to save the day. So I have all this junk in my freezer, and I still have more stuff to put in there. So I have this to put in there, you guys. Pork chops. Lots of pork chops. So how in the world am I gonna fit these pork chops into my already overstuffed freezer? And if you're like me, I'm sure you're finding yourself in the same predicament, especially with coronavirus shopping. You're over shopping, which is okay because you want to make sure that you have enough food for yourself, for your family, but where are you going to put it all? Well, I'm going to break everything down for you, so make sure right now, ladies, pay attention, okay? I'm going to give you some good advice, okay? Fellas, pay attention because you may need to be up in the kitchen helping the ladies, all right? So here we go. So I'm going to go over, let me get these pork chops out of the way right now. They're so heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, so I'm going to go over what I have and essentially what you will need to successfully make your freezer optimize, and also, what you guys? Come on, were you listening to the beginning of this video? Also, minimize your meal preparation time. So, let me go over with what I have here. First, I'm going to start with, as you can see, these beautiful ingredients. Beautiful ingredients. Okay, so you can use whatever ingredients you want, but these are my seasonings that I'm going to use. So, this first row right here is pretty much my essential seasonings that I'm going to use to season all of my pork chops. So, we have that out the way. That's okay. Just move it. Just move it. Isn't that fun when you just move it? Now, the next set of ingredients. Did I show you this? Oh yeah, I swear by this, you guys. Now, there were a lot of pork chops there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change up the flavor of the pork chops. So I have things from liquid smoke to things that I got from Jamaica. Come on. These are straight from Jamaica. If you want to put some curry flavor in there, okay, if you want to do some fajita seasoning, okay, also if you want to do a little jerk. Now this jerk is straight from the island. This came straight from Jamaica. No, straight, I'm serious. I didn't go on down no grocery aisle in the United States. Came straight from Jamaica. Come on. And now I'm also going to add some fried apples, you guys, because some of my pork chops, I want to have some fried apples in there, so that's something really delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pork chops that I just bought from the grocery store. I'm going to clean them. I'm going to season them with whatever flavors I want. And then I'm going to wrap them in aluminum foil right here, okay? And I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags. Now, if you're dealing with a large family or just maybe a family of 3, I don't know, you're going to want to use these types of zip. Don't you love it when I go live? You want to use these types of Ziploc bags. And it looks like this. So see, you can get probably about a good 3 or 4 pork chops in here. But if you're a single person living by yourself and it's just yourself and you're cooking just for yourself like me, then you're going to want to use some Ziploc bags like this. Very small. See that? I love this. I cannot wait to show you guys this life hack. And of course you're going to need, I have onions in here, you guys. They're wrapped up in this bag. These are already diced onions. Yes. Oh, can you smell them? I can smell them all the way everywhere in this house. So that's why I have it in 3 bags. But I have onions here, and then of course I have my bowl and utensils. So let's get started. Now this is part 1 of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for part 2 because we're going to put all of this together and I'm going to show you how to maximize your freezer space and reduce meal preparation time. Make sure you stay tuned for video part 2.